3 unhealthy habits that you need to quit right now. Number 1, my friend. Let's just dive right into it because I know this is going to really help you in terms of your increasing your athletic performance, whatever that you're working on. If you want to have high level of mental alertness, focused, then you definitely want to quit this habit so that you can perform at your best. Okay, so number one, the habits that you need to quit is that not drinking enough water. I mean, it's so simple, right? Like so simple, but some people, right? I even know a person, right, that close to me, right? She works with me, and she would just go through the day without actually drink. And now in my brain, I was like, oh my god, that's like I show you quickly. I've got this thing here, right here. And I drink, my friend. Why? The reason being that you need to drink a lot of water is it's good for your brain. You know, it's good for your energy, your physical energy. It's flush all the toxics also in your body. So that's the beauty of it. So drink enough water. Okay. The habits that you need to quit is that not getting enough water into your system. The second one, the habit of not getting enough exercise into like you're not moving. This is not normal for people that is want to be perform at the highest level. They move their body. They active. So the habits that you need to quit is the habit of just sitting on the couch and do nothing. I know that you're not doing that, but if you do, make sure you want to see. The reason why you want to move is that it releases a lot of good chemicals in your brain, endorphin, dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and all these hormones responsible for your happiness, your sense of fulfillment, your joy. So why don't you want to do it? Okay, so and also it decreases the cortisol in your brain, right? Cortisol is the chemical that you really don't want to have a relationship with. It's a fear hormone, and if it's too much in your body, you will feel angst, like you feel fearful, you feel anxiety for no reason. You're like, why am I feeling this? Because the chemicals, the cortisol in your body is high, right? Especially in the morning, when you get up in the morning, and if you're doing nothing, you're not moving your body. Guess what? Yeah, that hormones is nice and high in the morning, so you need to move your bodies to decrease it. Okay, because all of us, we have that cortisol, which is good and bad, but what you want to do is just minimize it, not too high, so that you feel good. So move your body. And last but not least, not getting enough sleep. Hey, look, I mean, last night I went to bed around, I don't know, 11 a.m. 11 p.m. That's not my normal, usually 9. And then guess what? I paid the price. Now, I feel a little bit down, but I'm good. But it's not good if I keep doing that over and over, okay? So, ideally, you want to get enough sleep, right? How do you do that? Well, for me, what works for me is after 8 a.m. or 9 a.m., no digital electronic stuff. My iPad or my iPhone. Like last night, I hold on to my iPad till, I don't know, 10. So that's what happened. Okay, so what you want to do is that those habits we need to quit. Like I need to quit. Okay, I want to get my sleep in. You know? So the three unhealthy habits that we as a human being, I believe that all human beings need to really quit, and that is not drinking enough water, and that is they're not moving their body. Like, I want them to go out there and like really move your body, my friend. Really drink that water, and last but not least, get enough sleep. And that's the things that I'm working on at the moment. I need to get my sleep in. So I trust you gain some value out of this, my friend, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.